Hi, I'm Niels, and today I will show you how to get the Issa Rae or John Legend assistant voice, or just basically the US Google Assistant on any Android phone in any country. So let's get the tutorial started. So first of all, your phone needs to be in English, so it won't work without. So change your language to English. Best would work English US, but you can choose any other English language too. But I would recommend English US because this will work 100%. Then you need a VPN. For this tutorial I'm choosing Pure VPN, but you can use just any VPN you want. I would recommend, if you don't want to pay, the Winescribe VPN that has 20 gigabytes per month now, unlimited for every month if you use a promotion code, so use that if you want. I will use now Pure VPN, so I choose, if you have Pure VPN too, hopefully, no. Choose Internet Freedom, and then countries, search the United States, and connect yourself to the VPN, and then you need to deactivate your GPS location. If you're now connected, it's pretty easy. Just go to the Google Assistant and go to your settings, go to the assistant and assistant voice.
Hey, Issa Rae here. I lend my voice to your Google Assistant so you can hear me do things like answer your question, brief you on the weather, and tell jokes, while the regular assistant... Hi.
You got your voices here. So you can choose now one of the celebrity voice. I prefer Issa Rae, but you can choose whatever voice you want. These voices, except the exclusive voices, are I think available in every English language. I prefer Issa Rae. And go back. I think you have now access to more.
Hey, Issa Rae here. I lend my voice to your
What
Google
the hell?
Assistant so you can hear me do things like answer your question, brief you on the weather, and tell jokes, while the
Come on.
regular assistant does the rest. Let's do this thing.
In the US you have more Google Assistant actions like this call sender, but if you deactivate now the VPN, I think these things will disappear. But the voice, if you now disconnect the VPN, so now you can just reopen the app, say hey,
Hi there.
and you still have the Issa Rae voice. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, please just leave a like, or if you have any questions, just comment. I will answer every comment. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you're now back in the app, I just write hey. Can't reach Google at the moment. That's perfect. I don't need Google.